Hi everyone, I've received a box from TAKEALOT. My sons or my men bought me a special gift. And we open it. A doll. It's a doll model, my model doll design. What I understand of it, you build your own doll. They gave you clothes, you make your own clothes for her, and you assemble her. Now let's open up and see what's inside this box. It's very nicely wrapped. And this doll, articulated. So put that aside and let's open it up. And there is our stuff. The first one is the packet of the doll. How you, with everything included, and the soles and what you need to build the doll. This is accessories, stickers, her hair, another hat and shoes and a handbag for her, and of course the instructions how to build your doll and put her hair on and make her clothes. And then we've got the dresses. All of this is printed on. You only cut it out and you make the clothes. Next time, on the next movie, I'll show you how I did it. Enjoy your day.